Hi dear students, in the last class we discussed some formula. So those are trigonometric ratios. We discussed 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. So these are the 3 major trigonometric ratios. Then another 3 are there, reciprocals. Cosec A is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite, sec A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So here cosec A is a reciprocal of sin A. So here sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosec A will be hypotenuse by opposite. Similarly, sec A is a reciprocal of cos A. So sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay. So cot A is a reciprocal of tan A. So cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Including these, we know this also, these two formula. So tan A I can write as sin A divided by cos A, and cot A I can write as cos A divided by sin A. We have to remember all these. Then now, as we said, cosec A is a reciprocal of sin A. So it means what? So sin A can be written as sin A is equal to 1 divided by cosec A, because cosec A is a reciprocal of sin A. That's why I can write sin A is equal to 1 divided by cosec A. Similarly, you can convert here. Sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Okay, sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Or like this also you can write cosec A is equal to 1 divided by sin A. Cosec A is equal to 1 divided by sin A. Okay, with this formula only you can convert it. Here next, sec is the reciprocal of cos, so that I can write cos A is equal to 1 divided by sec A. So otherwise, sec A into cos A is equal to 1, reciprocal. Sec A into cos A is equal to 1. Otherwise, sec A is equal to 1 divided by cos A. Sec A is equal to 1 divided by cos A also I can write. Now, cot is a reciprocal of tan, so that I can write tan A is equal to 1 divided by cot A. Tan A equal to 1 by cot A. So otherwise, tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1, reciprocal. Or cot A is equal to 1 divided by tan A. Cot A is equal to 1 divided by tan A. With this formula only you can convert it. Okay. So we have to remember all these. Let us solve some questions. So after that we will move to the exercise. So by solving number of problems we will get the idea how to solve. Okay. Let us solve some question, 2-3 questions. Then after we shall move to the exercise. So let us see the question. If tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find other trigonometric ratios. We have to find the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. One is given, tan A is given. So how to find remaining? So to find trigonometric ratios for what it is, right angle triangle. So let us take the A is given. I will take this as A, B and C. So this is A. This is how much? 90 degree. Now here, this is what? This is opposite side. Then this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse side. Okay. Now tan A. Given it, tan A, in place of tan A, what is the formula? Opposite by adjacent, that is BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. Tan A formula is opposite by adjacent, BC by AB I can write. So that is equal to tan A value they have given 4 divided by 3. 4 by 3. So in place of BC I can take 4 into some number. I will take that number as K, because it is a ratio. I cannot take BC equal to 4. I cannot take AB equal to 3. So that is, they have given ratio. I can take it is 4 into some number. Here AB I can take it as 3 into some number. I will take AB as 3K. Then what I have to find? I have to find now AC. Now, in this right angle triangle, 2 sides are known. The hypotenuse side don't know. How to find? By applying a Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras formula. Now, Pythagoras formula, let us apply. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now AC square. AB square value is how much? AB. AB is 3K is there. So AB square means 3 square 9k square plus BC square. BC is nothing how much? 4k. So BC square, that is 4 square, it is 16k square. Now this is equals to 9 plus 16, that is 25k square. This is what? AC square. But I want here AC, not AC square. So AC can be written as take square root on both sides. So we'll get 5k. So the AC value I am getting is here 5k. Now three sides of right angle triangle is known. Then you can write remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. So now here. So first sin A will go. Sin A is equals to, sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. BC divided by AC. Now BC value is known. How much it is? 4k divided by AC. AC value is known. How much? 5k. 5k. Now k get cancelled. Remaining is 4 divided by 5. So sin A is equal to 4 by 5. I can write. Sin A. Next cos A. Cos A is equals to, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now that is equals to, AB value is how much here? 3k. 3k divided by, so AC value is how much here? 5k. 5k. Now k will get cancelled. Remaining is 3 divided by 5. So cos A is equal to 3 by 5 I am getting. Now, so three major trigonometric ratios already know, sin A, cos and tan. Remaining reciprocals I want. Now cosec A, I'll write. Cosec A is equals to, cosec A is nothing but what? Hypotenuse by opposite. That is AC divided by BC. AC divided by BC. Now that is AC is equal to how much it is? 5k divided by BC. BC is how much it is? 4k. 4k. K get cancelled. That is equals to 5 divided by 4. 5 by 4. Here cosec A is equal to, directly I can write 5 by 4 because sin A I am getting 4 by 5. Reciprocal of that will be 5 divided by 4. Direct also I can write. No problem at all. Then sec A is equals to, sec is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. That is AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. So AC value, AC is how much it is? 5k divided by AB. AB is how much? 3k. 3k. K will get cancelled. 5 divided by 3. Here also I can write sec A is equal to 5 by 3 directly because already I am getting cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So here I am getting 3 by 5, then I can write directly 5 by 3. Sec A is equal to 5 by 3 directly I can write. So the last one remaining, what is that? Cot A. Cot A is equals to, what is that? Formula adjacent divided by opposite. Formula that adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is here what? AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. So AB value is how much here? 3k. 3k divided by BC is how much here? 4k. 4k. Now k will get cancelled. Remaining is 3 divided by 4. Okay. Here also directly I can write 3 by 4 because tan A I am getting as 4 by 3. Reciprocal of tan is nothing but cot. Directly I can write cot A is equal to 3 by 4 also. Okay. So these are 5 plus 1. Total 6 trigonometric ratios we have written here. Now next question. If sin A is equal to 1 by 2, find the other trigonometric ratios. Sin A they have given here. So let us draw the right angle triangle first. Right angle triangle. And this I will take as angle A. And this as B. And this as C. Here angle B is 90 degree. Now sin A is equals to, given value, sin A is equal to. So for angle A, this will be the opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this will be hypotenuse side. Now sin A is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. That is equals to. So sin A is given. How much it is? 1 divided by 2. Now here BC I can take it as 1K. 1K is nothing but what? I can take it as K. Now AC, that is 2K. AC I can take here as 2K. Now I have to find the third side. AB I have to find. For this, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So now here AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is according to the diagram only. Now, but I want AB square. So I will take BC square to the left. AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. Now let us substitute the values. AC square. AC value is how much? 2K. Square means 2 square, it is 4K square minus BC square. So BC value is how much? K. So that is minus K square. Now 4K square minus K square, that is 3K square. So this is what? AB square I got. But I want AB. So for that AB I am getting, take square root on both sides. We will get root 3K. So AB value I am getting here as root 3K. Okay. So we know all three sides of right angle triangle. Now we have to write remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. So let us write first sine is 1, then I will write in order wise. Cos A I will write. Cos A. According to the diagram, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. That is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. That is equals to AB value is here root 3K. Root 3K divided by AC. AC is how much here? 2K. So this is 2K is equals to, here K get cancelled. Root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 I am getting. Okay. Now cos is 1. Next tan A. Tan A is equals to, according to the formula, tan A is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. That is BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. Now let us substitute the values. So BC here it is K. AB value is root 3K. Am I right? K divided by root 3K. Here also K will get cancelled. Remaining is 1 divided by root 3. 1 by root 3. That is tan A. Now we have to write reciprocals. Now cosec A. Cosec A is equals to, in this way also I can write. How? Cosec A is equals to 1 divided by sin A. As I said you, 1 divided by sin A. So sin A value is 1 by 2. 1 by sin A is nothing but what it is? 2. Reverse. Reciprocal. Cosec A is 1. Then cos reciprocal is sec A. Sec A is equals to, I can write it as 1 divided by cos A. 1 divided by cos A. So reciprocal of this, that will be 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3. Then last one is cot A. This cot A can be written as 1 divided by tan A. 1 divided by tan A. So that reciprocal will be root 3. So this is root 3. If you want to write in the simplest form, I can multiply and divide it by root 3. So root 3 divided by root 3. So now here 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Okay, you can write in simplest form also. Here also same. Multiply and divide it by root 3 by root 3. Will get what? Root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 by 3. Otherwise you can stop here only, no problem at all. Okay, this is how you can solve it.